guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Trinity Sierra. Welcome to my channel and welcome to seeing this video, okay? Today we are reviewing Persephone 18-inch Glueless Lace Frontal Closure Wig. I just know I'm reviewing this wig. So, I'm really excited because background, I have been wearing Persephone for the past a year. It's been a year that I have been wearing my Persephone hair. I actually have it in my hair right now. I don't have it all throughout my hair. I only have like the frontal in my hair right now. But I'm excited to be reviewing and showing you guys this 360 glueless lace wig. So, I have not opened it up yet. And this is how it looks. It is still taped. So, we are really about to open it and see it together. And hopefully this looks good. So, I am just going to slide this open. Cut it. Oh. What? Comes with a wig cap. Okay? So, it comes with a beige wig cap. 2 pieces, one size fits all, and then this is the wig. This is the hair. So I got 18 inches, you guys. I am so happy. This is 180% density. I like the packaging. It comes really nice. And I really love the box. Ooh. Guys, look at these waves. These curls is popping. I'm excited. I really am excited. Do you guys see this? Initially, I thought it would be a bit thicker and fuller, but I guess we'll have to see, like, when I put it on my hair, how it really looks. But for the most part, probably take that out too. For the most part, this is the inside of it. And I mean, it looks really good. Do you guys see that? It already comes pre-plucked. So this looks very good. And so I really don't have to pre-pluck the edges. Look at that. I didn't know they do it like this. So if anything, I'm just going to put it on for you guys and then show you guys how it looks. As far as bleaching, I actually don't have my bleach. So I will probably bleach that and return to you guys later to show you maybe in the next video how it looks. Okay? But for right now, I am going to cut the lace. So I'm going to like just pop my little wig off, because that's how we do. See how easy that was? Ooh. Okay, I need to probably stop. Let me see how this is before I, do anything. Because it's 360, I can put it up. So this is what the back of the wig looks like. Really nice. So, let me see what it looks like before I cut this hair. Ooh. Sis. Okay. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Diva, 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 ooh, ooh, diva, diva, ooh, ooh. Okay. Now, you guys, it's already pre-plucked. Get out of here. It's looking good already, you guys, is all I'm gonna say. Hello. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh my goodness. The hair is so soft. You guys probably can't take me serious right now. So let me cut this excess hair off. And let me lay my hair real quick. Oh my goodness. Ooh. This is Persephone'S 18-inch. How you like me now? What you looking at? Ooh. Sis, don't kill him. Oh, don't kill him. This is Persephone'S 18-inch 360 wig. I did not accidentally put my edges down, but it looks really good. I need to actually lay it down, but because it's 360, you have your natural hairline. This is just a quick, when I lay it down, you guys y'all gonna know. So you can put it in a ponytail. It's really thick. Like, I was thinking it was gonna not be too full. But the hair is beautiful. It sure is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to probably bleach the knots. Lay this down. I got some hair mousse right here, but I don't know what side I want my part on yet. And man, it really feels amazing. It really looks really good. It looks so natural. It looks so natural. It looks surreal. It looks like I'm ready, you know, for my birthday and my anniversary, okay? It looks really, really nice. So, this is the hair, okay? You can part it anywhere you want. It looks flawless. Natural. You can wear it in a bun. You know, once you lay your hair down and everything. You can wear it half up, half down. You could flip it over. You know, I'm on my Nicki Minaj. My Monica Lewinsky. Like, you can do so much with this hair, you guys. And it looks flawless. That's the thing. I didn't have to spend $400 on a 360 wig. This is from Amazon, you guys. This is from Persephone. Amazon hair. If Amazon's not on the come up, I don't know who is. Hands down. I didn't have to drop a check. I didn't have to drop my refund. You guys. Ooh. Okay. I think I could do it now. Okay. Okay, maybe not. But this hair is amazing. This is the Persephone. This is the Persephone 18-inch. Ooh, it looks good. And it looks really good. You guys, this is from Royal and Reese. It's a nice, cute sweater shirt. I don't know. If you guys want to see it and probably get one for yourselves, I am dropping it in the link below too with my code to get a 20% off your entire purchase, because this is just beautiful. And I've shared it already with my Instagram followers. Share it with you guys because I love you, and I'm a bargain shopper, and I always buy stuff with coupons and discounts. But back to the hair. Yes, this hair is amazing. It's amazing. It looks absolutely flawless. Because it is a 360, you can part it anywhere you want. You can wear it in braids. I'm about to braid this guy for y'all. That's a braid. Y'all see that? Like, sis, is it growing from my scalp? Some may say. Next time I'm gonna wear my hair up in a ponytail, y'all gonna be like, Trin. I'm like, it's mine though. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment in the section below what you enjoyed about it, if you're going to go get this hair, because I know I will always buy it again. This is the 18 inches once again, and it's just stunning and beautiful. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching this channel. Bye. I honestly keep thinking, wow, like, Trinity, you spent a brick. You dropped some coins on hair in the past. And this hair came from Amazon. This hair, 18 inches. I spent probably $300 in the past. And this is like $137 for a head full of hair. What? You guys, go get this hair. I will link it in the links below because Persephone is a great company. The hair is soft. It looks like it's going to last me a very, very long time. And I'm all for, you know, getting hair and staying to one company and sticking to it. Trust me, I have done it. I am from Atlanta. I'm used to buying my hair as soon as I go into the store. I don't trust stuff from online. But Persephone, I went out on a leap of faith and bought this hair, and I love it, okay? So I got the wig. This 360 glueless wig is amazing, you guys. Beautiful. You can do anything with it. You can part it wherever you want, and it look like my scalp. You can part it wherever you want. You can wear it half up, half down. You can braid it at any place you want to, and the hair still looks amazing. This is 18 inches. So if I have it in the front, it's about right here. You know, it's a little curly right now. If I was, you know, to the side or whatever. In a bun, it's a 360 glueless wig. You cannot go wrong with it. I'm going to bleach the knots. I'm going to do way more with it, so it, you know, looks good. I just threw it on my head just to show you guys this review. Go get this hair. You will not be disappointed. I will definitely give you guys an update and show you guys how it's been working, how long I've had it on my hair, on my head. Feels really, really good. It's really soft, and I absolutely love it. This hair is a win. I would definitely give this 5 stars because it is worth it. I normally don't find hair without spending a great amount of money for it at a great price, but Persephone has never let me down. This is the second time I've gotten their hair. This is different. This is a 360 wig, glueless wig. I don't need glue. My hair is, you guys, this is not coming off. Thankfully. You know, like I don't have to secure my hair when I go outside and it's blowing. This hair is amazing. So, if you guys have enjoyed this video, enjoyed seeing this hair, if you guys want to go see this hair, I'm linking it in the links below, and all of the details that I probably did not mention because I'm just raving about this hair way too much will also be in the links below. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment in the section below. Oh my god, y'all know, ooh, done messed up. Comment in the section below how you like this hair, how you have enjoyed it. Let me know. Before we leave, I just want to share with you all that I am doing a giveaway. I'm doing $100 in cash or a gift card to your favorite store. I'm also giving away a camera. So make sure you enter the giveaway. Enter the giveaway below. I will be linking that so you guys can enter and hopefully share with your friends. If someone needs, you know, extra cash for shopping, or if you need a camera to start your blog, start photography, for any reason, I just want to help you guys as much as you guys have helped me. So, I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye.